The Supreme Court on Friday issued notice to the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, the N.C.P.C.R., during the hearing of the case on the condition of child shelters across the country in times of a pandemic. The letter that the child rights body wrote was to 8 states asking them to repatriate children to their homes. This is something that has been questioned by the top court. Now, the court lawyer has said that the N.C.P.C.R. letter is contrary to provisions in the law. The N.C.P.C.R. can't just order the repatriation of children. The N.C.P.C.R. has suggested that those in childcare institutions to be sent back to their families or placed for adoption. The recommendation, of course, has drawn criticism from various activists, lawyers, organizations as well as individuals. The recommendation is applicable to 8 states, including Karnataka, where the number of childcare institutions is the highest. The order doesn't apply to children who are placed under specialized adoption agencies or children in observation homes. The Supreme Court is now likely to take up the case on the 24th of November.
Pandemic should not spread there. So they passed a few guidelines, and one is repatriation as a temporary measure. So based on that, this NCPC has written to 8 states saying that repatriation should be done because Supreme Court has directed. But Mr. Gaurav Agarwal, who is assisting the court as amicus, he has brought it to the notice of the Supreme Court and even argued, saying that this letter is completely contrary to law because only the welfare committee can do repatriation. And secondly, he said if there are any deficiencies, it can be addressed because most of the children homes are children, orphan children who are found in trafficking and also child marriages and also domestic abuse also among children. So all these children are there in the children homes, and they should not be repatriated based on the Supreme Court order because Supreme Court order is only temporary, keeping in mind the pandemic. And he said Supreme Court should intervene. So based on that, Supreme Court has issued notices, and November 24th, the court will take up the case again.